you're experiencing a cloud save error in Apex Legends, specifically error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your game data. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud save system and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of your game files. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help fix the error. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help resolve issues. Power down your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC users, you can clear the cache by deleting temporary files related to the game. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to address the cloud save error in Apex Legends. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the game support team.